Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear 4th class students. Today discuss about weight and capacity. See from your course book, page number 56. From your course book, page number 56. Everybody open. See here. Anita went to a grocery shop to buy 1 kg 750 grams chana dal and 1 kg 600 grams wheat flour. The shopkeeper told Anita that he had only 500 grams, 200 grams and 50 grams packets. See here. The shopkeeper told Anita that he had only 500 grams, 200 grams and 50 grams packets. In how many ways you can see purchase the needed items in the required quantities. Okay, see here, chana dal. See here, 1 kg. See, 1 kg, we can surface in how many ways? See here, 1 kg it can be written as 1000 gram. So that is equals to, you can write 500 gram plus 500 gram. So you can buy 2 packets of 500 grams. See here, 1 kg that is equals to 1000 grams. 1000 grams it can be written as 500 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus, see here, 50 grams plus 50 grams. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. See how many packets? So in different weights she purchased, means 500 grams this is 1 packet, 200 gram 1 packet, 200 gram 1 packet, 50 gram 1 packet and 50 gram 1 packet. See here, 500 plus 200 700, 700 plus 200 900, 900 plus 50 950 plus 50 you can get 1000. Means 1000 grams it can be written as this like only. One is 500 grams of packet. This is second one is 200 grams of packet and this is also 200 grams of packet. Means 200 grams of packets only 2. 200 grams of packets only 2. 500 grams of packet only 1 and 50 grams of packet only 2. So total how many packets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets. In it 500 gram 1 packet, 200 gram 2 packets and 50 grams 2 packets. Again, see here, see 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 1, 2, 3, 200 grams plus 200 grams. So you can get 1000 grams. How many 200 grams packet she need? See here, how many 200 grams packet to need to equals to 1000 grams means 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200. See here, 200 plus 200 400 plus 200 600, 600 plus 200 800 plus 200. Then 1000. 1000 means 200 grams packet. How many? 200 grams of packets only 5. 200 grams of packets only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets she needs. So 1 packet containing 200 grams of weight. So now this like only she can purchase. Now next 750 grams. Actually 750 grams it can be written as 500 gram packet plus 200 gram packet plus 50 gram packet. But I wanted to say in another method, that is 200 grams packet plus 200 grams packet plus 200 grams packet. So 200 plus 200, 400 plus 200, 600. See, it is possible. So remaining 100 grams and 50 grams. So there is no 100 grams, so it is not possible. It is not possible. See here, only this is one way of 750 grams. Now next one is 1 kg 750 grams. It can be written as 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So 1 kg plus 1 kg means 1000 grams, 750 grams. So 1 kg it can be written as 500 grams plus 500 grams. 750 grams it can be written as 500 grams plus 200 grams plus 50 grams. Here 500 grams of packets, here 3. 200 grams of packet only 1. 50 grams of packet only 1. Now here you can write this like only. See here 1000 it can be written as 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 200 grams. So this is 5 packets plus 500 grams plus 200 grams plus 50 grams. See here, how many 200 grams packets better? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packets. 6 packets of 200 grams. Next 500 grams 1 packet. Next is 50 grams 1 packet. So she need 200 grams of packets 6 and 500 grams of packet 1 and 50 grams of packet only 1. So that is equals to 1 kg 750 grams. Now here wheat flour, see here 1 kg. 1 kg it can be written as 500 grams plus 500 grams. Another way, so 1 kg it can be written as 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams. So how many packets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packets of 200 grams you can get 1 kg. Next 600 grams. 600 grams means here 200 grams packet plus 200 grams packet plus 200 grams. So 200 grams packets, how many? 3. Then you can get 600 grams. Now you can write in another way, not there. Means 500 plus 100 you can get 600. But here 100 grams of packet not there. Now next 1 kg 600 grams. So 1 kg it can be written as 500 grams plus 500 grams 600 it can be written as 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams. So 500 grams packets are how many? 2. 600 grams. See, 200 grams packet, how many? 3. So total 2 plus 3, 5 packets. But here another way is also write down. So 1 kg means you can write 200 grams of packets 5. 1, 2 plus 200 grams of packets. Third one, third. Next, 6 plus 200 grams. So you can get 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to 10,000. 1000 grams. Plus 600 it can be written as 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams. So total 200 grams of packets. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 200 grams of packets, that is goes to 8. Then next, capacity. Next, capacity. See here, the amount of liquid that a container can hold is the capacity of the container. The amount of liquid that a container can hold, is the capacity of that container. See here, capacity means liquids. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. See here, page number 57. A water jug holds 2 liters of water. A water jug holds 2 liters of water. A bucket holds 10 jugs. A bucket holds 10 jugs. See here, what is the capacity of the bucket? See here, so 10 jugs. Now here, capacity of jug. Capacity of a jug is equals to 2 liters water. See, a bucket holds 10 jugs of water. A bucket holds 10 jugs of water. Jugs of water. So, what is the capacity of a bucket? Capacity of a bucket, that is equals to, say, 10 jugs. So the capacity of 1 jug is equals to 2 liters. So you can get 10 to the 20 liters. The capacity of a bucket, that is equals to 20 liters. Means 10 jugs, each jug contains 2 liters of water. Then 10 is multiplied with 2, you can get 10 to the 20 liters of water. That is the capacity of a bucket. Now next one is, which of two objects fill the tub faster? The capacity of the cup 100 ml, the capacity of the glass 150 ml. So which of the two objects fill the tub faster? 150 ml capacity of the glass, so fill up faster than 100 ml of the capacity of the glass. So next one is, the capacity of a bottle is 1 liter. This is the capacity of a bottle is 1 liter. The glass can hold 150 milliliter of water only. See here, the capacity of a bottle is, this is the bottle, 1 liter. The glass can hold 150 milliliter of water only. How many milliliters of water still needed to fill the bottle if it is filled with 4 glasses? 4 glasses to fill cheste adi, that is equals to 1 liter. See here, no, because Because see here 150 milliliter, that is the capacity of glass, and 4 glasses means multiply with 4, 400, 4 5 are 20, 0 taking carrying 4 1 the 4 plus 2, yeah, so 600 milliliters. So it is fill up completely? No. So here then 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So then it is divided by 150. So here 150 into 6. 600, 6 5 are 33, 0 taking carrying 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 3 9. So 150 into 7, 700, 7 5 are 35, carrying 3, 7 on the 7. See here. See here, if we take 4 glasses of water in each glass, then you can get 900 milliliter. Then here, if we take 7 glasses of water filled with 1 liter of bottle, you can get 1050 milliliter. See here, so 900 means less than 100 milliliter, here more than 50 milliliter. So we have to take approximately, so that is lies between 6 and 7 glasses, means think you have to take 6.5 like that one. So if we take 7 glasses of water, then 50 milliliter of more than the 1 liter of bottle. So here if we take 6 glasses of water, then we have to take 900 milliliter, means that is less than, you need more 100 milliliter of water to complete the water bottle, 1 liter of water bottle. So you have to take, in my vision, 1050. So here just 50 milliliter more than water, here 900 milliliter means 100 milliliter less than water. So I have to take approximately 7 glasses of water to fill the 1 liter of water bottle. Now next here, page number 58, a water bottle can hold, a water bubble can hold 20 bottles of water. So a water bubble can hold 20 bottles of water. If the capacity of the water bottle is 1 liter, so what is the capacity of the bubble means 20 bubbles into 1 liter, you can get 20 into 1, 20 liters. The capacity of water bubble, that is 20 liter. Write down here 20 liter. Now next, tick the container which we think can hold more than 5 liters of water. So this is 5 liters of water. This is, I think, 5 liters of water. Now this is now less than 5 liters of water. So this is 5 liters of water. This is also 5 liters of water. So the jug can hold approximately 2 liters, 3 liters. So if you take the bigger jug, it has also 5 liters of water. According to our book, so this is, now I am taking 2 liters of water, where it can hold a jug. So this is also, you can take a cross. So this is right, and pond, swimming pool, this is also right. Now next, see, we know that liquids are measured in milliliters and liters. The relation between 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So 500 milliliter is equals to half liter. 500 milliliter, that is equals to half liter. 250 milliliter, that is 1/4 liter. See here, write down everybody. See here, 1 liter L is equals to 1000 ml, milliliter. Next Half liter means half liter. That is equals to half means 500 milliliter. Now next 1/4 liter. So that is equals to 250 milliliter. See, the containers used to measure liquids. The containers used to measure liquids could be a different capacity. So 100 ml container, 200 ml container, here 500 ml container, 1 liter of container. So container means this is. Now here, so a 1 liter bottle can be filled using many measuring containers somewhere. So 1 liter of container one time. So 500 milliliters. How many containers you need? 2. Next 200 milliliters. How many? 5. So 5 into 200 ml you can get 1000 milliliter. That equals to 1 liter. Next 500 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 400 milliliter. See here, this is the container. So 500 you can use 500 milliliter container, 200 milliliter container, 200 milliliter container, 100 milliliter container. So you can get 1 liter. 1 liter that is equals to 1000 milliliter. See here. Now next one is page number 60. Rai has a 2 liter Pepsi bottle. He needs to pour the Pepsi in the following containers. See here, this is 200 liters Pepsi bottle. So this is one container, that is 100 ml, and this is the 200 ml container, and this is 500 ml container. Now here, how many glass are needed to pour 2 liters of Pepsi? See here. Now here, according to our book, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Then 2 liters is equals to 2 into 1000 milliliter. You can get 2000 milliliter. See here, the big quantity is converted into small quantity. Then you can multiply with 1000 because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Now here, the bottle holds 2000 milliliter Pepsi. The bottle holds 2000 milliliter Pepsi. Each glass hold here 100 ml. Now according to the problem, each glass hold 100 milliliter. This is the gas beta. Okay. See here, how many glasses are needed? Means 2000 milliliter is divided by 100. So you can get 20 glasses. 20 glasses. So it can fill 20 such glasses. So it can fill 20 such glasses. 20 such glasses. See here, now next one is how many 500 ml milliliters are needed to hold 2 liters of Pepsi. See here. So 1/2 means here half liter. Half liter means that is equals to 500 ml. So half liter is equals to 500 milliliter. So here, how many need? So 2000 means 2000 milliliter divided by 500. So you can get 4. 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500. So you can need 4 bottles. 4 500 milliliters bottles are needed to to hold 2 liters of Pepsi bottle. Now next, if 250 milliliter can hold 200 milliliters Pepsi, what is the capacity of each glass? Means 2000 is divided by 8, you can get answer. Because 2000 milliliters, that is equals to 2 liters of Pepsi. So 2 liters is converted into milliliter, multiply with 1000. So 2000 is divided by 8. See here, 8, 2000, 8, 2 the 16, here 10, 10 minus 6, 4, 31, 1 minus 1, 0, bring down, 8 5 the 40, 40 minus 40, 0, now 0 is bring down to the remainder, so 8 0 the 0, 0 minus 0, 0, so you can get 250. So, each glass can hold each glass can hold 250 milliliters Pepsi. See, this is the glass. 250 milliliters of glass. So here, this is the capacity of 250 milliliters. So how many glasses? So 8 glasses is given, then that is the capacity of glass, that is equals to 250 milliliters. So okay, thank you everybody. Today your class is completed. Everybody leave the meeting.